Dear viewers, this is my fifth video. In this video, I want to speak on an interesting topic. The interesting topic is newspapers and dry wood, why not our food? Is it not interesting? Yes, it's an interesting topic because we eat so many things. We eat rice, maize, wheat, and so many things which have starch. But we never try to eat dry wood, we never try to eat grass, never try to eat newspapers. You know the reasons why? Yes, we'll try to solicit the reasons. Our food consists of three parts: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. The carbohydrates are obtained from plants, whereas the protein and fat are obtained only from animals and also from plants. But the carbohydrate is obtained only from plants, and and we cook the carbohydrates and we eat. In fact, the humans have started cooking 120,000 years ago, as per the investigations made by Cynthia Larbe, an archaeologist from the University of Cambridge. We cook the food. We cook the food and eat. When you cook the starch, it undergoes a process called gelatinization, by which it becomes very soft, palatable, and tasty. And the starch consists of two parts, two polymers, amylase and amylopectin. Starch is formed by the linkage between alpha D glucose molecules. That means both amylase and amylopectin polymers found in the starch are made up of alpha D glucose molecules linked by alpha 1,4 linkase and alpha 1,6 linkase. And our salivary amylase, that is ptyalin, our salivary glands produce an enzyme called ptyalin or alpha amylase, which can break down these alpha 1,4 linkase found in the amylose polymer, amylopectin polymer found in the starch. Therefore, digestion of the starch begins in the mouth itself. And then when the food goes into the gut, there of course deactivation of amylase takes place due to high acidity. When the food passes into small intestine, where the intestinal lining produces alpha amylase, it can break down the polymers alpha 1,4 linkase, and therefore we are able to digest starch very comfortably. And but why we are not able to digest newspapers and cotton and dry wood, which are made up of cellulose? Because the cellulose is made up of beta D glucose molecules. Beta D glucose molecules are bonded by beta 1,4 linkase, and which cannot be broken down by the enzymes produced in the body. And to break down the beta 1,4 linkase found in the cellulose, we require beta amylase and enzyme or cellulase, which are not there in our body. Whereas the termites can easily digest dry wood, they can easily digest newspapers, cellulose materials, because termites can produce the beta amylase and cellulase enzymes, which can break down cellulose. And even ruminants, that is the cattle, horses, which have special sac in their gut called rumen, and where the protozoans and the even bacteria are there, and these bacteria rumen can produce cellulase or the beta amylase, which can break down the cellulose materials. There are beta 1,4 alpha beta 1,4 linkase found in the cellulose. Therefore the horses, cattle, that is ruminants, can easily digest the cellulose materials like grass, cotton, even newspapers, etc. So is it not interesting? So since we lack the beta amylase or cellulase, we can't digest, we can't take newspapers, dry wood, cotton, etc. as our food. Thank you very much, viewers. If you like my video, you can just share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, viewers.